welcome back to Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're working on this 2005 Chevy Colorado. We're going to be installing some Precision LED headlights. It's going to be the low beams. On these pickups, the low beams are a little more difficult to get to than the high beams. But either way, on the passenger side, they're pretty easy to get to. On this driver's side, they're going to be a little more difficult. There's a little bit less room to work with. But either way, it's very straightforward. So I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get these headlights for your pickup and install them in your Chevy Colorado. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, you're going to get a box just like this. Says the name on it. And pull it open. And inside the box, take out that foam. You have a little bit of instructions here. You have some sticky pads and some zip ties if you need to zip tie the ballast or the wires to anything to get them out of the way if need be. Then inside you're going to have your light. Here's the little LED ballast, and then of course your plug-in for the type of headlight that the low beams are on these Chevy Colorados. So we're going to take this out. Make sure to be careful with the LED itself. Don't touch it with your hands or your fingers, just like any other light. So let's go over here. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. You're not going to be able to see it from this angle. However, on this side, you're going to on this side, closer to the engine block, you're going to have your high beams, and then closer to the frame, outer frame of the truck, you're going to have your low beams, your common ones, which, like I was saying, it's a little more difficult to get to. And on the passenger side, it's a lot easier. A lot more room over there because all you got over there is your air box. Over here you have your fuse box, your battery. I'm going to show you as best as I can how far in this LED bulb is going to have to go. I apologize for any shakiness in the video because I'm doing this by myself. Alright, so let's see here. So that right there that I'm pointing my light at, that's going to be the high beam. Then back over here, way down in there, is your low beam. And that's the driver's side. Now, over here on the passenger side, it's much easier to get to. A lot more room. Now, I'm going to do my best to show you this. You want to use a light and kind of guide yourself down here to this bulb on the frame side, which is, again, not easy to get to, but obviously it's doable. Some engineering degree guy designed it this way. Pull the bulb out, and if you care to use these bulbs at any point, again, try not to touch them with your hands. I don't care about them because they're halogens. Now, there's going to be two gray tabs on the outside of the bulb. You can use a flathead if you want, but you may have some fragile plastic and it could break. So I'm just going to use my fingers and it unplugs just like that. And those plastic tabs go over this little piece right here. Now you can go ahead and install your new light. And it's going to have the same tab. And you can kind of figure out what you want to do with the ballast. This has the same three tabs. and you just gotta find where those tabs are down there with your light. And you can either plug the light into the harness now or later. Now you can see the harness is plugged into the new light. There's that ballast, and it runs to the light that is plugged in to its rightful place. Now let's test out these bad boys. Nice. Give you a quick spin around. That's good color. Good line there. Nice and bright. Now, as an added addition to the pickup, aside from the headlights, we're also going to do the license plate lights. I got them from the same company, PrecisionLED. So here's the bottom of the bumper. Here's the exhaust pipe right here. Right. So up in this corner over here, right there, there's your plug-in for the license plate light. I know you can't see it real good right now, but you're gonna turn left and then it'll come out, and there's your bulb. That one should just pull out like that. Then get your new bulb, and of course just I shouldn't be touching that top LED, but I'm holding a camera and trying to do this at the same time. It's not very easy. Then just put it back in the hole. Find where the clips fit in there right, to where it will turn to the right. And there it is. Click. It's in there good. Make sure it's not going to come out. And now we have LEDs back here on both sides. Very nice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. Hope you can get these lights in your pickup now. Please do watch the other videos that I have. Check out all the playlists that I have on my YouTube. I've got lots to watch, lots of good stuff. Off-road events, all sorts of goodies. So go on there, check it out. If you like it, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.